I'm Flavia and I'm the project manager here at Macropay. I was involved from scratch to end in the open banking solution process. So starting with research, planning, collaboration with third parties, the development alongside the tech team, testing with the QA team, the release, and obviously the support for our clients with onboarding and starting to use our solution. Our open banking solution is offering more diversity to the services offered in this sphere, and everyone needs to take into account and reconsider customer and how people are consuming the financial services. Our open banking was driven by the desire to bring better alternatives to our customers. Under PSD2, banks have to provide open banking, so they need to open their APIs to third-party PSPs in order to provide services of either payment initiation or account information or both. So, however, this PSD2 doesn't specify any sort of form of standardization of the APIs provided. So I would say one of the most challenging part of this project was trying to consolidate with the tech teams involved, obviously, the code while integrating with the banks and have a common base code to handle integrations with them. Also, another notable challenge was tackling the testing of the end-to-end solution. We deliberately chose to test on the real-life payments flow, avoiding the testing environment of the banks in order to not have inconsistencies along the line. So making a functional payment flow on an early stage of the development was definitely a venture. Our open banking payment flow is the following. Customer needs to select their bank from the list of banks we are provided. Then a minimal identification details are required for some of the banks. So we have, like, for example, the social security number in Sweden. Then the customer is required to do an SCA, a strong customer authentication, in order for the account list to be retrieved and presented to them. So customer selects the account from which they want to make the payment. Then the customer uses again SCA to authorize, confirm the payment, and the payment gets executed. Easy as that. The payment flow on our open banking solution is following all the security and safety requirements in regard to user data. As mentioned in the payment flow, the customer is asked for strong customer authentication, which is an essential and central piece on how all works. Customer interacts with us, contact of the bank is being made, bank obtains SCA from the customers, and services provided. Another layer of security is related on how services are provided to the PISPs and or the AISPs. The bank per se doesn't have a relationship with the PISP or the AISP. The relationship and trust is intermediated by a certificate which is issued to the TPP after they are regulated, and via this certificate they are entitled to initiate payment or access account information, obviously with the consent from the customer.